What is up guys, Tanner this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable Flash Player in Microsoft Edge. So first open the Microsoft Edge browser and then in the right side at the top, click on these three dots and then click on settings. Or you can just simply go to extensions. If you can see this tab extensions, click on this extensions tab and then you need to click on get extensions for Microsoft Edge. After clicking on it, a new window will open and from here on the right side at the top, you can see the search bar. You need to type in Flash Player and then you just need to hit OK or enter. And after that, all the results for Player will appear. You can see this Ruffle Flash emulator. I'm getting these, so I'll just simply click on Get. And then this will install this in my Microsoft Edge browser. And then I'll click on Add Extension to add this extension to my pinned extension so that I can easily access it. And after that, when this extension is used, you can finally enable Flash Player in Microsoft Edge. So as you can see here in the extension section, I have this Ruffle Flash emulator. I'll just click on this to enable this, and then I can use it. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.